honorable colleagues, is a motion on rescission of the Electoral Act Amendment Bill 2025, standing in the name of Honorable Francis E. Waebe. Honorable Waebe is invited to move the motion.
The House resolves to rescind the decision on the Electoral Act Amendment Bill 2025 and commit the same to the Committee of the Whole for consideration. I so move, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Honorable Waebe. Is the Chairman Committee on Electoral Matters around? Yes, Honorable.
I rise to second the motion ably moved by the Chairman Rules and Business to rescind the decision of the Electoral Act Amendment Bill 2025 and recommit same to the Committee of the Whole.
Aye. Those against, you say nay. The ayes have it.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
The bill is recommitted to the Committee of the Whole.
Mr. Speaker, the rescission of the Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir.
Honorable colleagues, we just observe some few minutes.
Into executive session. That the House do resolve into executive session. I so move.
Seconder, please. Minority, please. Executive session. Minority, can you second for an executive session, please? Yeah.
Mr. Speaker, my right honorable colleagues, I rise to second that the House do go into executive session to allow members discuss. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Those in support of this motion should say aye. Those against should say nay. That is all it. House is in executive session.
Let's go.